Burning Fire Mountain Technique. Do you know how to do it? Let's check it out. Okay, how do you feel right now?
It's not bad here.
Do you feel warm or cold? Any warm or cold from the needles?
Warm, yeah.
Warm.
Yeah.
Okay. Is the warming sensation increasing?
Yes.
It is. Okay. Where does it go?
Just around the ankles. Yeah.
Go to your ankle? Good. Is this in the medial side or the lateral side? Does it go out?
Lower side.
Lower side going down to here.
Yeah.
Okay. To my little fingers here. That's awesome. 好，这是炙热蒸法，就像烧山火蒸法。Very good. We'll do on the other side, eh? This is for arthritis. Because you feel cold all the time on the leg, right? So I'm trying to generate the heat in your body from the needles. Stronger? Well, that was on spleen 6, and now let's have a look. GB34. Okay. And over here. What is it? Warm or cold? Warm. Okay. It's inside, right?
Yes.
I'll see. Cool. Is the warming sensation increasing?
Yes.
Good. Is it traveling to anywhere? Does it travel to anywhere?
Just around the
Around here? Good. Any going to your ankle or not? Not really. That's okay. Just around that, right? So I'll keep it for a while. Still feel the warm?
Yes.
Awesome. That's it for that point. I'm going to do the other point. Now it's going to do stomach 36. Right on this point. 足三里 stomach 36. How do you feel now?
Yeah.
Cold or warm?
Warm.
Oh, good. Just stay in the local or actually travel?
Getting down. Yeah.
Where does it go?
Downwards.
Downward. Awesome. Down the way to your ankle, to your foot yet? Halfway.
All around there. Yeah.
All around there. Okay. I don't have hand to show you. Okay.
Especially the lower ankle.
Down to your ankle now?
Yeah.
Awesome. Down to your ankle now. That's awesome. Okay, for a while. That's it. Well, this is a case of rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, so if you want to learn this, follow me. And hey, my workshop is coming up in New Zealand in September from the 8th to the 10th, and my workshop in Malaysia end of the month, 28th to 30th. So I only have few spots left. So if you want to join us, contact us.